Fixing bent iPad, Apple said, is not fixable. What do you think? It lights up on the screen, only in the middle, but nothing shows. Right there. Is it fixable? Let's find out. Watch until the end. Let's go! Look at that. Surgery time. We're gonna put this in rice. I'm kidding. We are going to unbend this now. Let me try with my hand. We're gonna transfer this to new screen. And we are going to transfer this to new screen as well. Your iPad is ready, search. Now it's good to go. Look at this now. Can I get a wow? Looking good. Slightly bent. That's how you can save your money. And Apple said it's not fixable. There it is.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look